These mini-splits are made for the Blue Hawk buying group, and the units are only available through a very limited network of dealers in the USA. The heat pumps feature state-of-the-art inverter compressor technology, but they use R-410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R-32. The three MBRS models are premium heat pumps with a 20 CR cooling efficiency, while the KULA models have a 25.5 CR cooling efficiency. They are for high-wall indoor units and feature 7 indoor fan speeds with swing louvers and an auto-clean function, but they only use basic washable filters that do not do much to improve the room's air quality. The KULA models have built-in Wi-Fi for integration with smart home systems. The MBRS models are multi-zone units that can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit, and they have a 21 CR cooling efficiency. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HvacRepairGuy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.